Okay, welcome back everyone to Sporks and Dorks, and today we're having a $5 fill-up bowl. We have crystal water? I don't know. He mumbled something when I said I wanted Powerade. He said we don't have that, we have and I was like, okay. We have potato wedges and a piece of chicken, and that looks so good. Look at this. Look at it, guys. And this is pretty freaking heavy. Potato wedges are good. Okay. I want to get into this a bit. Oh my god, you know that thing? I don't know if a lot of people do it. You know that thing that some people do? I say some people because I do it. And I know sometimes one of my sisters do it. It's when you have potatoes and corn and you put them together and you mix it and then gravy. But this is like the Super Saiyan version, right? Because what are you? It's good. Crystal water, I think that's what he said it was, is good. But this is like the Super Saiyan of it because it has chicken, it has cheese, it has the potatoes and gravy, it has the corn. It's, oh my god, look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what I want to get into today is I want to tell you some stories about D&D. If you don't know what D&D is, it's Dungeons and Dragons. So my friends and I, right? We play Dungeons and Dragons. I didn't originally play it at first because I was like, that's such a nerd thing. And I'm already a nerd. And I can't be a double nerd, you know what I mean? Like, that's just not okay. Right? So I told myself, I was like, I can't be a double nerd. So when my friends asked me to play, I was like, oh, I don't know even how to play. I've never played before. So, you know, I wouldn't want to drag the group down or whatever. And my friends were like, you won't drag the group down because only one other person in our group is a veteran player. I don't think veteran, I mean, I think he was, like, he knew how to play, but he wasn't a veteran or whatever. Wrong use of words, Danielle. And I was like, no, I don't know, and I kept putting it off. Until my friend we'll call him Shane. So my friend Shane was like, it's okay, you don't know how to play, right? Nobody there is gonna know how to play, so you won't look dumb. It's a good game. At least try it before you say you don't like it. And I was like, okay, fine, whatever. So I ended up really liking it, right? And he's a great DM. He's so nice and merciful. But throughout the whole enjoyment, like the whole thing though, the main thing I think I really enjoy about D&D is you have to, like, you don't have to, but it's more fun when you get into the vibe of your character. Now, let me explain here in a moment. I know. Okay. So, what I mean about getting into your character is, I mean, like, role-playing your own character. Getting to know them to an extent that you be them. Right? And you have to know, like, what your character has been through to know how they act. Well, I didn't really grasp that concept too well. Like, don't get me wrong, I knew about role-playing and stuff like that, but I thought it was weird. Right? I always thought it was cool, like, especially at the, like, festival things, where people are, like, archers and, like, knights and stuff. I forget what that's called. Anyways, those type of festivals, I thought they were always cool, but I thought it was weird that you're pretending to be somebody else. Like, why not just be yourself? And then I realized, like, when my first character I ever played on D&D, it was kind of frumpy. I technically tried to play myself, and she was a half-elf. She was a half-elf. I was trying to play her as me, but it wasn't working, right? And she was a thief, but she was a good thief, and, like, her only flaw was, like, she cared too much or something. Something like that. And I was like, this is the good character. I'm going to really enjoy playing it. Now, don't get me wrong. I loved the campaign I played with her. I just didn't love the character. So, my newest character, right, that I'm playing, her name is Celeste, and my sister Brittany named her. I think she's really cool. She's a full elf. And she's like a magical bowist. Not a bowist. She dual wields daggers. But she's like a magical rogue. She can do arcane stuff. And it's like, I think it's like really cool. But I think I fleshed her out better than my first character. And that's more like having to do with getting into it. Having to get into the character and, like, really want this character to be a different person. So Celeste is nothing like me. I like the first character, who was really shitty because I did not enjoy playing her. She's like, Her flaw is she likes money too much. So anything she can get money out of, she's gonna try to do it. Which is really nice when you're neutral and you need a lot of money for things you want to buy. So we were on the campaign like last week or something like that, and we had to we have to find this magical thing, and all my friends are like, let's go to the Mage Tower. Because we had talked to this troll. Not troll. He's like a little imp or something. And he was like a bounty hunter. He was hunting for some weird type of horse thing that was killing a lot of people and causing problems. My character didn't care about that. She cared about the bounty on its head. So all my friends are like, let's progress in this storyline, and I'm like, let me go get my money. I need to go kill this horse. And then I convinced everybody to go help me kill the horse. Because I wanted the money. And then we went and killed the horse. Oh, wrong. We went to go kill the horse, and we couldn't find it at all. And one of Shane's other people who play D&D with him came in and was like, here, go do this, this, and this. So we went and did it. And he was like, one of my friends was wearing his son's armor because we killed his son. And he was like, is that my son's armor? And everybody at once was like, oh crap, except me. I was like, yeah, it was. And he's like, oh, who killed him? And I was like, me, I did it. I did it all. And he's like, you killed him single-handedly? And I was like, yeah, I did it. I killed him. And he was like, here's $8,000. Thank you for killing my son. And I was like, hot diggity dog. And you'd think I would have been sufficient with that, right? But no. Me playing as Celeste, I was like, so about that horse. And he was like, yeah, that's not happening. And she still got mad even though she got $8,000 for killing his son. And didn't get money for the horse. Woo! That was fun talking about D&D a bit. Character development and stuff. How I ended up liking it and certain things about it. Well, I'm glad you guys were here. If you want to hear more about D&D or if you want to watch me eat some more, please click subscribe, comment, like, and hit that notification bell if you want to receive notifications when stuff goes up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!